Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another curated bead box. This is a $20 monthly subscription, and I have a coupon code for you to get 35% off your first box. Use code AGERM35. I'm going to put a link to the curated bead box down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to put the coupon code down there in case you're interested, alright? So let's go ahead and get into this. By the way, I have been sick with a cold for like over 2 weeks now, and I have good days and I have bad days, and today's one of those bad days. I have a headache and I'm like still congested and stuff. Whenever I get sick, I am not sick for a couple days or a week. I am sick for an entire month. It's always about 4 weeks, and sometimes I will catch it again. So I'm really trying to do this. I need to heal this really bad. And I still have not got to film that ring tutorial yet because I've been busy, and then I've been sick here and there, off and on. Sometimes it's not that bad, sometimes it's terrible. Anyways, let's get into this. Curated bead box. The theme is called Iced Crystals. Okay, and here's everything in the box. Here is the codes in case you want to reorder any of this stuff. And right here's where you go to reorder, dollarbead.com. Okay, put in the model numbers. And again, there's always stuff in here that I don't see in the picture. It looks like this here is probably going to be some of my favorite. I like their little bags. They have these really neat bags I keep getting that have amazing beads in them. Like the peanut ones, I love those. And they kind of look like check glass, but I don't think they are. Right? So put this to the side, and let's see. Wow, this does not look like the picture to me. This is way prettier. This looks very dark on the picture. Maybe it's kind of a shaded picture, but this here is very beautiful. It's more pale. The jadeite, like seafoam green color that I love. I really see that through here. Okay, this is not on picture, or maybe it is, but it's this one. That looks blue. This is a very beautiful, like seafoam green. That's gorgeous. Okay, I got it double. Oh, maybe the white is also playing a part. Let's see. What does it look like now? No, it still looks great. Okay. These are beautiful. Okay, I need to start just going straight to the list. I have a bad habit of where I want to check everything out first and then going to the list, but it makes the video longer. But I just gotta do my little inspection thing. I really love that strand. This looks different. I have a lot of glass pearls. This looks different. This one's killer. That is gorgeous. I have not seen that one yet. Okay, and oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that. This makes me think of the ocean. Alrighty. Oh, I love that one too. What is that gonna be? It's kind of jade looking. Okay, I'm trying really hard to focus. It's hard. Okay, I got a runaway bead. And most of these are 8. And then I have 3 10s. That's 4. Okay, we have really neat pendant here. These beads look epic. Okay. Alright. To the list. There's 3 10mm strands. First is 10mm grape jade style glass bead. 8-inch string. Grape. This looks like grape. And then the next is a pearl. And then is purple blossom spray. Okay. Okay. So, like this. I have not seen this one yet. They're saying grape, jade style glass bead. This is really purple. Kind of like my middle finger there. That's pretty, huh? I've not seen this one yet. This shade here. It is a coated bead. I think the bead is a frosty, it's like a matte clear glass. And then, you know, depending on the color you put over it, it totally changes the look of the bead. That's pretty. Very deep purple. And then 10mm violet glass pearl bead, 8-inch string. Okay, the other one is my runaway. This is pretty. I think the pearls I have, the glass pearls, are darker than this. I have darker ones. It's a gorgeous color. And then 10mm purple spray. No wait, it's a purple blossom spray glass bead. I need to move the box closer. It's too far away. 6-inch string. Okay, so there was a runaway bead. Where'd it go? I saw it. Oh, I guess it truly just... Oh, there it is. Let's say it just completely ran away. Okay. So this is beautiful too. I've gotten this in like red and brown and stuff, and I've really liked it. It's beautiful. It has a frosty look to it. That's perfect for winter. Again, the theme is ice crystals. That's very pretty. Okay, and then 8mm seafoam glass pearl bead. That's what I said the color was. And it's on the box. That's kind of weird, huh? I said seafoam green color. That's what it looks like to me. And that's the actual name. That's funny. It's beautiful. It might look more turquoise-like in the camera, but it's not. It's more green. See how this is more blue? This is a more greenish color. It's really lovely, I have to say. It's very, very beautiful pearl. I don't think I have that in my stash. Okay, and then 8mm turquoise apple green crackle frosted duo bead. Oh, that's this. This is amazing. This is so beautiful. That's gorgeous. Look at these together. I really love these. Beautiful. On my camera it looks really blue, but it's more this green color here. So I hope that is showing up. There, maybe that's better. Yes, I think that looks better in my hands. Okay, so that was amazing. And then 8mm turquoise apple green crackle frosted duo bead, 10-inch string. Wait, did I just read that? It was seafoam, turquoise, apple green crackle frosted duo, then 8mm pastel, blue yellow. Oh, this? Duo style glass bead. Yeah. I believe so. I don't see yellow. I think it looks green. It looks green to me. Is it because it's with the other beads? Maybe. Now it probably looks more yellow. Because it's not with its body. Okay, I gotta put it with its body. Those are beautiful. I love those. Okay, after that is 8mm pale green gemstone bead. 6 to 8-inch string. I wish they told us what this was. I think I might have got something like this in the past, and I loved it so much, so I just made a stretch bracelet with it. It could be a little bit different though. Maybe mine is more like this, like the whole strand is that, but this here has like a little variety of beads, so I love stuff like that. I think it's very pretty. Okay, after that is 8mm white gemstone 7-inch string, 7 to 8-inch string. Okay, and I have got this a few times, and I do like this bead because it's a natural white gemstone, which you don't see very often, and they have this in different sizes. Okay, and then this here, 4mm turquoise gemstone bead, 7 to 8-inch string. Now I've got this in the past, and I made a bracelet with it, right? I think it was like a macrame bracelet. I have to look through pictures. It's beautiful. Okay, and then it doesn't say how white though, does it? It just says turquoise gemstone bead. Next is approximate 1 ounce ice gem designer glass bead mix. Then the next says approximate 1 ounce ice gemstone designer glass. It says the same thing. They both have, no wait, ice gem designer glass bead mix, icy crystal designer. Okay. I don't think the names matter. I don't. Alright, I need something to put this in, and there's my favorite scooper. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, it's one of those button looking beads. You know, it's fancy. Use it on the top of like a ring or something. This is what a lot of the beads like this that have coatings on them look like underneath, is like that. And I really love these rondelles here. They are not checked, but they are great quality. There's a whole bunch. Let me just pick them out real quick so I can get to the other stuff. But these here are really beautiful quality. They're a little dusty, but I've been dying to make something with clear beads like this, but with colored cord or bead stringing wire. I would like to fill the hole up a lot, so I think cord would be perfect for this because of the hole size there. And I would like to do knotting in between, so I wonder how many I have here, because I want to do a project like that. And then we have these here, which, what is going on here? Are some of these gems? It said gem. It didn't say gemstone on the title. But maybe they're just trying to do fancy names. So there are little crystals here. That's a crystal. Clear one's a crystal. There's actually white crystal beads, like milk glass. There's several of them. There's a saucer one. See? And then there's this other one that's like a button. Yeah, so there's a bunch of little different ones there. But like these beads here, sometimes you'll see these painted, and this is what it looks like underneath the bead. It's just like this chalky, like matte milk glass is what it looks like. Sometimes it's also clear. Alrighty, and let's go with my favorite one, right? It's this one. Let's see if it really is as exciting as it looks after we pour it out. Oh yes it is. Ooh, I love these little saucers. I would like to buy these by themselves. I wish they would give us strands with like just these little saucer disc things, because you know, I've used these to make flowers. I started making sequins, or flowers with sequins that are, you know, this size, and then I started finding these beads. But these little guys here, I go crazy for stuff like this. I love these. There is a turquoise, a green turquoise, and there's a blue turquoise. But those are awesome. And we have a lot of nice gemstones here. Again, is that rondelle. They make check rondelles like that. They're kind of hard to find. But it's an MC cut. It's a kind of a rondelle. It's like squat or squat, whatever it's called. Okay, we have bicones, and those are nice bicones. Yes, they have nice holes for bead weaving. Okay, and I feel like I can't show you. There's so much here. There's a lot of different shades. It's beautiful. This actually makes me think of the ocean. We have green, we have teal, there's turquoise, there's like sky blue, there's iris blue, there's iris green rondelle beads. They're beautiful. Okay, now back to the bag. Okay, and then what's this? 4mm silver metallic bead cap. What? A bead cap. 40 caps. I have never seen anything like this. Oh my gosh, these are interesting. They really are. They're like tiny little caps. So small. Those are interesting, huh? Oh my gosh, these would look so cute with 6/0 seed beads. Actually, it looks like a bottle cap. Metal bottle cap. Okay. And these would look nice with these. They would look good on the bicones. Alright, so there's 40 in this bag. And then it goes on to 54 by 10mm silver metal pendant with turquoise gem. This is kind of unusual. It looks like the handle of a spoon or something. Yes. Doesn't it? Does it look like a spoon? A spoon handle? Fork handle? Because it has like this powder right here. Kind of interesting, huh? I wonder if I could make like a beaded sleeve to go over this, like a net. And then circle this with seed beads at the bottom. Alrighty. Can't believe I've already gone through most of this. After this is the kit here. It comes with every box. It has everything you need except for tools. And there is memory wire, bead stringing wire, head pins, and I like these because they're really thick, strong gauge. They also have big heads. Have you ever used a head pin and you put the bead on it and the head pin goes right through the bead? It's like, no! Darn it. I remember when early days when I was starting to get into beading, I had that problem. I'm like, what am I supposed to do now? Right? But these have really big flat heads. They're pretty big. There are crypt beads and ear wires and lobster claw clasps. And did they change their lobster claws? I think they look a little different. There is elastic cord, which is really good quality, and gem rings, which I also use for spacer beads. Alright, so this is everything we are getting in this month's kit. I'm really digging the colors. They're so pretty. These here, you have my dog in the background. These here, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this. These ones are my favorite. I love that color. Those are beautiful together. I think I would actually like to throw more of the turquoise in. What do you think? Is that your favorite? It's so beautiful. I like the purple too. This here, I'm obsessed with that color there. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this box opening. Remember, I'm going to link the Curated Bead box down there below in the description bar along with the coupon code. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure to click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.